Today we're going to be using CLEAR-IT Black Tank Unclogger. I've heard about this stuff and I want to see how it works, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to open your toilet valve and pour in several gallons. So I'm going to be using about 5 gallons of water. Next, we're going to use an entire bottle of the CLEAR-IT Black Tank Unclogger and empty that into your black tank. Now, we just have to let it sit for about 8 to 12 hours. So over time, solid waste and paper settle to the bottom and stick, and those layers begin to build up and actually harden. And regular dumping doesn't really clean and remove those caked on layers, and it actually reduces your tank's capacity. I actually changed my mind and decided to let this sit for about 2 weeks until our next camping trip and just wait till you see how much we got out. Finally, just dump your black tank till it's completely empty, then refill it 1 or 2 more times and continue to empty it out. After that, it's unclogged and clear. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with this. So we clean our tank and we use the black tank flush every time we go camping, and you would think that you get everything out. But I let this sit for about 2 weeks while it was in storage, and then the next time we went out, I dumped it, and you would not believe the built-up junk that was in there that this got out. So I'll definitely continue using this. I'll probably use it at least once a year, maybe in the beginning or at the end of the season. But make sure you check the link and pick this up and help protect your black tank.